Good morning, Griffin. I see that you made your corrections. And so now let's look a little bit at the actual prompt, what you were asked to do. You were asked to write one complete paragraph about something you're passionate about. Okay, something you're passionate about. And so if you're writing about something that you're passionate about, you should be telling why you are passionate about it. And in your paragraph, you opened with "I am passionate about football," and then your content is more just how you play the game. It's not why you like the game. Okay? So, when you're asked to write something specific, like about a passion, you need to make sure that what you write reflects what's in the prompt. And I know that in your quick writes with Ms. Henderson, this has been a little bit of a problem because sometimes you will look at the prompt and you'll read it, but you don't do what the prompt asks you to do. So your first sentence, "I'm passionate about football." Perfect. Love it. Football is a sport where you have 22 people. So when you write numbers like this, you have to hyphenate because it's a compound word, so you need to hyphenate numbers that are two words. Football is a sport where you have 22 people on the field, 11 on offense and 11 on defense. That's better. The offense gets 4 tries to advance 10 yards to earn a first down. That's better. The team tries again to earn 10 yards, and the defense tries to stop the offense. If the offense scores, they get 6 points and have to kick for a field goal for 1 more point, and then they will have 7 points. The team with the most points at the end of the 4 quarters wins. In conclusion, football is a sport I'm passionate about. Okay, good. Now, we had to kind of clean up our first draft and get it into sentence form so we could actually have a conversation about content. I'm fine with you putting, describing the game as if the person reading it has no idea what football is. However, I don't see any passion in your writing. I don't know why you like it. I don't know what about the game gets you excited. I don't know. And you play football. And so if I'm writing about something that I'm passionate about, I'm going to talk about why I'm passionate. So, for example, if you were the quarterback of the team, you might talk about, "I'm passionate about football. I love to play the position of quarterback because I love that it's a team sport and we all have to work together. I love that it is a difficult game and it's a great physical game." You can talk about the rules, that's fine. But I didn't ask you to explain the game of football. I asked you what you're passionate about. And so you're going to take a third pass at this, okay? And I want you to focus on the passion. Why are you passionate? Okay? You need to add a space right there. I just saw that. So I want you to do that. Take a third pass at it and explain to me why you're passionate. Because I want to know why Griffin likes football. I don't need to know the rules right now. You can leave some of that in there if it helps explain why you're passionate, but you have to follow the prompt. You are passionate, but you did not tell me why. So work on that for me, and I will respond via video tomorrow.